Today we celebrate a remarkable milestone, the 10th International Yoga Day. This year's theme, Yoga for Self and Society, highlights the profound impact of yoga on individual well-being and its transformative power for communities worldwide. And marking this special occasion is none other than India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Just a few moments ago, Prime Minister Modi led the Yoga Day celebrations at the picturesque Sher-e-Kashmir International Conference Centre in Srinagar. Let's see what he had to say.
योग अब सीमित दायरे से बाहर निकल रहा है। आज दुनिया एक नई योग इकोनॉमी को आगे बढ़ने में देख रही है। आप देखिए, भारत में ऋषिकेश, काशी से लेकर केरला तक योग टूरिज्म का नया ट्रेंड देखने को मिल रहा है। दुनिया भर से टूरिस्ट इसलिए भारत आ रहे हैं क्योंकि उन्हें भारत में ऑथेंटिक योग सीख रहा है। आज योग रिट्रीट बन रहे हैं, योगा रिसोर्ट बन रहे हैं, एयरपोर्ट में, होटल्स में योग के लिए डेडिकेटेड फैसिलिटीज बनाई जा रही है। मार्केट में योग के लिए डिजाइन परिधान, अपैरल्स, इक्विपमेंट आ रहे हैं। लोग अब अपनी फिटनेस के लिए पर्सनल योग ट्रेनर्स भी रख रहे हैं। कंपनियां भी एम्प्लॉय वेलनेस इनिशिएटिव के तौर पर योग और माइंडफुलनेस प्रोग्राम शुरू कर रहे हैं। इन सब ने युवाओं के लिए नए अवसर बनाए हैं, युवाओं के लिए रोजगार के मौके बनाए हैं। फ्रेंड, the theme of this year's International Day of Yoga is Yoga for Self and Society. The world is looking at yoga as a powerful agent of global good. Yoga helps us live in the present moment without baggage of the past. It connects us with ourselves and our deepest feelings.
Prime Minister Modi's visit holds immense significance as it's his first to Jammu Kashmir since he was sworn in as Prime Minister. But let's shift a little onto today's significance. International Yoga Day is not just about striking poses. It's a global celebration of well-being that transcends cultural and geographic boundaries. And to that effect, initiated by Prime Minister Modi's visionary proposal at the United Nations in 2014, this day was first celebrated in 2015. Over the years, it has grown into this massive movement, drawing millions to participate in yoga classes, workshops, and events worldwide. Yoga, an ancient Indian practice, plays a very crucial role in enhancing our mental, physical, and spiritual health. In fact, studies have shown its benefits in reducing stress, in improving physical fitness, and promoting overall well-being. Now, let me ask you a question. Why do we celebrate Yoga Day on June 21st? Well, if you haven't already guessed, the significance of the day is symbolic, aligning with the summer solstice, the longest day of the year. This period of maximum sunlight represents growth, it represents renewal, and a deep connection with nature. It's an innately grounding practice that centers and soothes your soul just as much as it does your body. And just as the solstice brings the promise of longer days and brighter horizons, the government draws a parallel to its initiatives which aim to bring prosperity and progress to the nation. So, as we celebrate this day of harmony and health, let's embrace the dual benefits of yoga for ourselves and our society. Thank you for joining us in this celebration, and here's to many more years of spreading the light of the divine Indian ritual that is yoga. Stay tuned to India Today Global.